In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create the collar after having prepared our main body pattern pieces and sleeves beforehand. Now we will use the measurements that make up the length of our collar. I will quickly remove this anchor point here in order to have a single segment. It's useful because I can see right away how long it is when I click on it. In this example, it's 7.2 centimeters. Front, raglan and back add up to 17.8 centimeters, equal to 178 millimeters, which is half the length of our collar. I also prefer to arrange the pattern pieces now in the order in which we will sew the collar. Front next to sleeve and then the back. There. The collar will be a rectangular pattern piece. Therefore, I choose the Create Rectangle tool, shortcut S. So hit S and left-click anywhere in the 2D window, triggering the context menu to appear. Fill in the measurement of the width, 178 millimeters, and then the height, which I would like at 25 millimeters. Confirm with OK. This is now half my collar pattern. Just like the other pieces, it will need its own fabric with our unique CreateDesign knit texture. In the object browser, add a default fabric, name it, and assign it to the collar pattern. Next, right-click and choose Symmetric Pattern with Sewing, or shortcut Command D to create the other half of the collar pattern. Then merge them by selecting one of the front segments with the Edit Pattern tool, shortcut Z. Right-click, which opens the context menu, choose Merge. I now have to repeat the process of assigning the respective texture maps to my collar pattern, just as I have done before for all pattern pieces and explained in part 1 of this playlist. Only after all texture maps are assigned, I adjust the texture position with the Edit Texture tool, shortcut T. Finally, all that's left to do is to duplicate the sleeve pattern, which is straightforward. Select the sleeve using the Transform Pattern tool and hit Command D on your keyboard. Then place the copy on the far left of your avatar. This is the pattern for your right sleeve, as patterns are described from the perspective of the wearer. See how the texture we assign to the left sleeve doesn't fit the right sleeve? As it is symmetric and we just need to mirror the pattern, the easiest way to do it is to create a unique pattern for the right sleeve by copying the left sleeve's fabric. Lastly, right-click on the pattern piece with T, the Edit Texture tool, and select Flip Texture horizontally. Next up is arranging the pattern pieces around the avatar and sewing the pullover.